Hello everyone, I hope that you're doing well this evening. And I'm going to take some pinto beans, just canned pinto beans tonight, and show you how you can make them taste like they've cooked all day long in the crock pot in about 40-45 minutes using our pressure cooker. So I'll go ahead and show you. I've put 2 cans of beans in, and I just put part of the juice that they were in, and these are pinto beans. And now I'm just going to add enough water to give them about 1 inch over the top of them. And then I'll put my cover on. And this is a Cook's Essentials pressure cooker once again. Electric pressure cooker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the stop button to take it off the heat. I've already got it on so that they can come up to heat a little bit. And we have a pressure setting down here. That it's just a pressure cook. So I'm going to set that. And unfortunately it's only 1 minute at a time, so you just have to push for the number of minutes you want. I'm going to set the pressure cook for about 40 minutes. Well, I went a little further than I thought I should, but anyways, 43 will be fine. Then we'll hit the start, and it's going to be ready to go, and I'll check back with you in just a few minutes to see what our end result looks like. Okay, so our beans are almost ready. We got 1 minute left on the counter. And a couple of things about beans: when you're cooking them, it's always best, if you want to be safe, it's always best to put beans in a pressure cooker at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Whether you're cooking them from dry, which I'll show you that another time, and you're cooking from dry, or whether you're cooking them from a can, it's still best to pressure cook them for a few minutes. That just helps to keep the cancer-causing agents that the skins of the beans have in them naturally, so that their babies are protected. So it's the plant's way of keeping their life cycle going. Natural defense. And another thing is, you don't ever want to put salt in your beans before you cook them. You always want to wait and do that after. If you put salt in, it's going to make the skins rupture. The salt will make little tears in the skin, and you'll have a lot of beans that have either the skins have completely, come off of them, or you're just going to have a lot of mush in with your beans. So you want to be careful of that. Now on this particular model, I'm just going to do the quick release on this, and then I'm going to stop the video after I show you this, because I'm sure you don't want to hear the steam popping up for 1.5 minutes. But basically, this is all we do. Okay, so now the steam has released and it's gone into the keep warm mode. I'm just going to take the lid off, and when you take the lid off your pressure cooker, you always want to hold it this way, because if it is still boiling, you don't want it to splash in your face or burn your hands. And just take that lid off real quick, and then I'll just show you here. You've got your beans that they're like they've been cooked all day in the pressure cooker, or all day in the crock pot, without having to cook them in the crock pot all day. And you can add some butter to it if you want to. You can add salt, whatever it is that you want to use. It's just a shortcut for one of those days when you want to have some pinto beans, maybe make some cornbread, and instead of having to wait for beans to soak and then put them in the crock pot and add the water and then wait the 8 to 10 hours it takes to cook them, this is just a quicker way to do it with canned beans. And this was just 2 cans of beans, and I added just enough water to cover the top of them by about 1 inch. Hope this has helped you, and please like and subscribe if the content has helped you today. Look forward to doing more videos with you. God bless and have a great evening.